Kabalen, ating kung utang kaya kayo. Utang mag-steak kayo, nano ing mas prefer you? Rare, medium, or well done? Ngayon po nga doon ni, it's gonna be a steak day. Join us! Nano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Louis Season.
Marco Nanan, ng Worried Papasa.
Ngayon nga doon ni guys, dito kami po ngayon ni Steak and Wine Angeles. And this is the first time we're gonna feature an unlimited steak and wine.
Yes.
Ngayon for sure, there are a numbers of restaurants kini Angeles and Pampanga particularly na mag-serve unlimited steak and wine. But for us king we're in Pampanga, guys, this is gonna be our first time. So guys, located dyan yung restaurant ay ni Kening Pulong Maragul. Pinaka-landmark na isitang PTP at the back of Marking Mall. Pinaka-malapit na establishment kaya isang The Shop.
The Shop. Infinity.
Ay ita. So, we're gonna dive into our slate right now. So, let's talk about... Let us serve the Kenny.
Kenny, mag-serve lang 2 kinds of steaks. Atin lang, Australian steak. Yan, which is ining kakanang ni Kenny. For $599, available nitang Australian steak mo, wine. At the same time, atin Salisbury, pork ribs, chicken wings, rice, then atin rin soup or pasta. For only $599.
Okay. So, kareta naman medyo budget friendly or actually less than 100 pesos yan mo eh. This is 499 pesos. What you will get is a rib eye, a T-bone or a porterhouse, plus atin kang red wine, chicken wings, pork ribs, Salisbury steak. You also get juice or gulaman. Potang ali ka mag-wine, mga niyan eh. What makes us excited today is itapin for the first time mag-feature kaming unlimited wine. So for those of you who are really into, wine, fine dining, actually initong fine dining na unlimited. Apin nini, the entire place is this. Siguro it can accommodate 20 to 30 persons. Atin niya pa may itong room kit and it's super fit for a date.
Yes.
Something. So if you're interested to bala mo mag-surprise date, dita ka pa kulo something itang lugar ito. Anyway, so we're gonna get into the food. Kabayan nyo kami po. I'm so happy. Imagine guys, an unlimited steak as low as 499 pesos. You also get to have an unlimited wine. So takman tayo ni Keba, din na tayong wine. So itang tikman ko guys, itang atin niya pandita ka fat na ning itang beef, itang medyo oily pa. Itang aroma na nitang grill, itang smoke, super. Plus complement of red wine. Oh man, this one's amazing. So tila palang a la carte kayo ni kung kabisang mag-order kumbaga unlimited. But before that, let's talk about the house policy. Let me quickly read to you na. So, alang take out, no sharing ka rin unlimited. Alila mo naman malyari ng outside food and drinks. Refilling of food is upon request and dapat tagisan may mamit ang plate mo mga yan. Atin mo naman leftover charge, of course, ka rin unlimited kay restaurant. Sigurado yung pong ating makanta ito. And then, in unlimited order is consumable within 1.5 hours. So, for reservations, check out the information below. Now let's talk about the a la carte. So king a la carte guys, atin lang palang unlimited wings. Available for a la carte rib eye. Atin mo naman creamy carbonara, pork ribs. So basically, nung nanula rin ang makaserve kayo ni plate, available actually for a la carte. Ngayon, inumburi mo mong, unlimited. mag-unlimited steak na. Additional information, although unlimited yun ali unlimited buffet. Kada magisan niya in king plate mo, you can actually ask datang mag-serve da kaya to bala mo refill, mga yan. So, and then, inform mo na mo karela nung nanlaret ang buri mo, mga yan. So, it's refill time, guys. Refill time.
Second batch ng steak.
Halos agisan ko ni merong serve na ning wine, no? Kasi sobrang terno yaketang steak. But in general, para ka na ako, in lugar ini is so perfect for a date. Ka family-friendly in lugar. Although ting wine, syempre in moderation lang mo naman din Alila po mag-serve aliwang liquor kenny aside from wine. So alang beer, ali you expect na ating makanta. So itong wine na sa-serve da kaya kami is, I'm not sure, pero lagyo na is 717 Moscato. Siguro search me ni kay internet nung nano laring kaya na nini. Pero feeling ko talagang masalesa yung pagterno kayong steak. Kasi sabi na steak and wine, Moscato, steak and wine. So talaga sigurong panernuyak yung kain. Takabalen. So,
if you're looking for an alternative unlimited steak and wine here in Pampanga, must try this steak and wine.
Salamat po kayong pamanalbe.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or share it with your friends. And that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.